Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another video from the Crazy Foursome. I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. So, are you tired of living in a messy house and want to escape the chaos? Today we're going to share some tips and sort of what I do as a busy mum of 3 children. I work full time. So let's dive in and transform your living space into a peaceful sanctuary. Did you know that a clutter-free environment can not only improve your mental health well-being, but can also help you save money and live a more sustainable life? Stick around to find out how cleaning your house can benefit both you and the environment. So my first tip is, and this is what I've been doing a lot of lately, and I've shared some of the videos, is decluttering. So by decluttering and getting rid of stuff you don't need, you can either sell it or give it away, and there's less to deal with then. So less to deal with, less to think about. So start just doing one space at a time. I started by doing my understairs cupboard. Get rid of items you no longer use, like kids' clothes that are too small, get rid of them. If you can donate or recycle, that's amazing. This will help you create a more organised and eco-friendly living space. So my next tip is, I'm trying to do more of this, is eco-friendly cleaning products. You can make your own. A lot of products, especially if you're struggling for money or whatever, you can make from basic ingredients and they do just as good a job. So, and less of an impact. Think about all them chemicals in the system and in your system that you don't want. So that is a great tip. Right, so then you need to be able to organise. So making sure things are organised, because if you're trying to find things, organising is just not ideal, is it? So you need to be able to make sure things are looking nice, you know where they are. For instance, school uniforms. Look at all this that I'm having to do. You know, this week we've been running around like headless chickens trying to find bits of school uniform. Even though we've got everything, it's not been well organised. So that is top tip. And also, maintaining a clean house is so important. Though today you'll see me cleaning the whole house. I'll speak about the other things I'm doing in the video as well. But maintaining a clean house, once you've got it clean, it's easier to keep on top of. So I pretty much did the whole clean myself this week. A bit of help from my husband because he was going on tonight, so he needed to rest. But we had a cleaner in the week before because we had a party and I just couldn't do everything. So you have to know your limitations. So by having that person come in, spending those few hours getting it amazingly, and then us just being able to maintain it, does put a different spin on your mental health. So what I also want to say is, in this video, you'll see a new hydroponics system. So this is something I have purchased to grow lots of vegetables at home. It's talking about being eco-friendly. The weather here doesn't allow me to grow all year round outside. There is things I can, but being able to have something like this is a bit of a game changer. So my daughter helped me put the little seeds in and bits and pieces, so we will keep you updated on that. So there you have it, Crazy Four family. By following these tips, you can escape the chaos, enjoy a cleaner, more organised and eco-friendly home. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more sustainable and eco-friendly tips. See you in the next video. Take care, guys. Lots of love.
Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul.